Why be a label when you can be anything and everything? This idea is put forward by a distinguished and celebrated persona, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, a mind that has shaped and restructured modern-day science. To better understand his contributions, we shall dive into his early years that were the foundations of his extraordinary life.
I first met Professor Sharma in 2003, and since then he has been a friend, philosopher, guide and a collaborator. What I marveled most about him is unique perspective on every topic, not just limited to science, but spirituality, religion, politics and many more. I really hope that he keeps on motivating us for many decades to come.
I have known Professor Ashutosh Sharma for almost 2 decades now. His guidance has actually shaped the way I approach my research, and he continues to be a constant source of inspiration every day, not only for me, but in fact many other young researchers like me.
As a young student, he had to undergo constant change of schooling because his father was an upright government official. It was due to this that he had to switch 8 schools in 11 years of schooling, though it also served as an opportunity to stay with his Nana. It is from here that he develops his ideology that young minds need the freedom to be their own masters.
हमें क्या क्रैक करना है, हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, तो उसकी हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी थ्रू क्रिएटिविटी और इंडिपेंडेंट थिंकिंग और कॉमन सेंस इवन वो डेवलप करने की जरूरत है। तो उसके लिए मेरा ये मानना है कि बजाय इस तरह के जो चीज़ें कोचिंग क्लास में सिखाई जाती हैं, उसकी बजाय एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट जो होता है बच्चों का, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
He is a visionary academician and a trailblazing scientist in nanosciences and technology. He is the president of Indian National Science Academy, former secretary of the Department of Science and Technology. Also, he is the founder of Center for Nanosciences at IIT Kanpur, a distinguished professor and alumnus.
Professor Sharma has been a constant source of inspiration to all of us. He was instrumental in establishing the Center for Nanosciences. He has also established the Advanced Imaging Center in 2014, which has the state-of-the-art transmission electron microscope and along with all the fabrication facilities. This was one of the key factors in attracting me to join IIT Kanpur. I was very fortunate to have a very long and fruitful collaborations with him. After a few days, I met him, get the access for Center for Nanoscience facility, and I also told him that I do not have the money to pay the charges. The immediate response was, you can use this as much as you want. Once you get the money, you can start paying the charges. That was a very nice gesture from him, and that was a great help during those days where the funding situation was very tight. Thank you, Professor Sharma, for giving me a constant and fruitful support to me. Thank you so much.
His leadership extended globally too, as chair of S20, G20 science initiatives and various scientific boards and institutions. Currently, he is the chairman at Life Sciences Research Board DRDO, chairman at councils of ARCI Hyderabad and CSIR CGCRI Kolkata. When he applied for Nano Mission, an initiative by Government of India, as suggested by Professor C.N.R. Rao, who was then the chief of the mission. From there on, he has relentlessly worked in the field for almost 25 years now.
Dr. Ashutosh Sharma, in addition to being a good scientist, he is a wonderful science administrator. He keeps on designing new ideas, developing them and making the country much stronger. So his contribution for development of ICPS, Integrated Cyber Physical Systems, and Technology Innovation Hub is super. And of course, he was at helm of affairs when India was fighting COVID, and he was responsible for developing scientific solutions to challenge, to meet, to combat COVID. My good wishes to him.
Professor Sharma's research is deeply interdisciplinary, sitting at the crossroads of chemical engineering, material science, and nanotechnology. He explored nano-patterning and self-assembled nanostructures, contributing transformative insights into how surfaces evolve and interact at the nanoscale. Other than his expertise in the said areas, he is a skilled artist, a self-taught one. He loves to sketch and over the years has developed his own unique style. Moreover, he is a fond collector of antiques and owns a little museum of his own at his place with sculptures dating over 100 years. According to him, we are creatures of many influences. This is aptly seen in his diverse interests that cover art, philosophy, and travel. An active researcher and mentor, Professor Sharma has authored more than 350 peer-reviewed publications and filed over 15 patents. He has guided numerous PhD and master's students and even launched a nanotechnology startup.
eSpin Nanotech Private Limited is a spin-off company of IIT Kanpur, and it is basically taken a birth at Chemical Engineering Department of IIT Kanpur. This is nothing but it is a support and everything is given by my guide and guru, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, and whatever company and myself have achieved in life, this is because of his blessings. So I would say he is not only a teacher but a great guru and more than great motivator for me in my entire life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Khanna. I was closely mentored by Sir from 1991 to say 2000, and even as a young assistant professor he was already wiser than most of the professors at ITK, and he was a very kind person also. So as a very difficult mentee, I kind of stressed his wisdom and kindness both at times, and he has been very, very good with me. So I thank him for all the good things he has done for me. He was especially fond of dressing well, actually. I never told him that, but I would look at his shirts and I still remember the jackets he would wear and the nice shorts. So he would, I have a suspicion he enjoyed dressing well and presenting himself well. So that's what I kind of remember, apart from all the wise things that he has said to me from time to time. So thank you, sir. Thanks for all the nice things and putting up with me for a very difficult student, actually. Now that I'm a teacher, I understand how bad I was. So thank you again, sir. Thanks a lot.
Heartiest congratulations, sir. We, as your students, are so proud to see your success so closely. Your achievements have inspired the generation of scientists, and we are here to celebrate them. Wishing you good health and see you soon.
His dedication has led to many groundbreaking research works that earned him numerous accolades, such as the prestigious Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize, the Infosys Prize in Engineering and Computer Science, the Bessel Research Award, the TWAS Prize, and many other honors including Syed Hussain Zahir Medal. Most recently, he was honored with the Padma Shri in 2025 for his outstanding contributions to science and public service.
Professor Ashutosh Sharma.
Be it his pastimes like sketching when bored or writing posts or at more professional settings, making cutting-edge discoveries, working on patents and research papers, all come in unison, seamlessly blending through life to make a difference, to impact somebody's life in a positive way.
The median age of the country is 28.2 years, which basically means that there is a great window of opportunity, which is all these people who are sitting here. They are the ones who are going to write the future.
All this has kept him going and makes him a true inspiration for not just men of science, but for everybody who has a dream and a passion to achieve it.
Three ways of solving a problem is called Jugaad, Dhanda and Panga.